viral on TikTok? Do you want to know how to make your TikTok videos go viral? If yes, then this video is for you. So let's go dive right in with some quick tips. Tip number 1. Catchy hooks. Grab attention in the first 3 seconds and start with something eye-catching or intriguing to keep viewers hooked. Tip number 2. Trending sounds. Use popular sounds and music in your videos and check the Discover page for what's trending right now. Tip number 3. Hashtags. Use relevant and trending hashtags to increase visibility. Mix broad and niche hashtags for best reach. Tip number 4. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments and create content that encourages interaction. The more engagement, the better the algorithm favors your video. And for the last tip, tip number 5, consistency. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and improve your chances of going viral. And that's it. Implement these tips and watch your TikTok presence grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.